Get ready for a thrilling ride as we dive into the world of luxury SUVs. The 2025 BMW X3 is on its way, and it's bigger, better, and more technologically advanced than ever before. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with your friends. Let's spread the excitement. The 2025 BMW X3 is the first new X3 since 2017, and it's set to be a game changer. With fresh bodywork on a revised version of its predecessor's underpinnings, this luxury SUV is expected to be bigger than the model it replaces. The new BMW X3 will adopt the latest iDrive multimedia system seen in BMW's latest models, including the new X5. This combines a 12.3-inch driver screen with a 14.9-inch infotainment touchscreen. Under the hood, you can expect a choice of petrol, hybrid, and diesel engines. There will also be an electric iX3, underpinned by BMW's upcoming Neue Klasse electric car platform. The overall style of the new product will be made in the style of the X1 model. It will feature key door handles borrowed from it, as well as a simpler shape of the sidewalls. At the front, they will be united by a more angular design compared to the current X3. The new crossover will receive original headlights with L-shaped LED running lights. The most interesting feature of the rear of the new crossover will be the license plate niche moved to the bumper. Previously, such a solution was used only on the brand's coupe-shaped crossovers. The 2024 BMW X3 is expected to be unveiled in mid-2024. Likely as a 2025 model year vehicle based on previous BMW production and launch announcements. That's all we have for now on the 2025 BMW X3. Stay tuned for more updates and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.